All right, guys, 2010 Mercedes-Benz V8 Beast. That's when Mercedes was cool. The new ones, I hate them, but they're going back to their roots from what I heard, so I hope they do, man, because this was luxury back in the day. Now the new Mercedes, they weren't doing it for me. But anyways, factory converter. Then when we took two resonators off, I'll show them to you guys in a second, and replaced them with two DYNOMAX race bullets. Part number 24250, right there. And then this is Mercedes X pipe, right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues. And we did a rear muffler delete there and right there, as you guys can see, into some factory tips out the back that go in the bumper. There's the two mufflers that were on it, one there and one there. And there's the two resonators that were on it right there. We took them off and replaced it, so it should sound like a beast now. It's a GL 450, 4MATIC, 4-wheel drive. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it, then hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Wow. Much better. Listen to this beast again. I like it. It's coming out of a Mercedes, guys. Sounds so throaty. I like it. Still quiet at idle too. Very nice. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. He likes it. Out of a Mercedes. I love it.